Hi guys, this is Janelle, also known as Scenes Come True on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to style this lace front wig from Pose Wigs into Astrid style from the new How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World. So for this first section, I'm going to separate the part that will become the bangs from the main body of the hair. As you can see, we've already cut the lace front. So if you look from the side, you can see about 2 inches back is about how far her bangs go back. So I will separate that and leave that in front and pin the rest of this back. We're going to dampen the roots with water and then blow dry them in the direction we want them to grow with high heat so that it resets the style. So you want to align your wig with your hairline, establish where it's actually going to fall, and then establish your part. And her part is about here. And because everyone's foreheads are different sizes, you really want to do this step, or else you might end up with bangs that are too long or too short, and then you have to get a new wig. So I establish where the shortest part of the front of her bangs is, which will be right below my eye line. And then I make a little marking snip about 1 inch down from there. Then do the same thing on the other side. And then we want to establish how long the longest piece of the bangs will be. Looks like it's just to my collarbone. A little bit shorter. Make a snip on this side. Once again, line up either side. Right about there. And again, you want to do it about 1 inch longer than you think you will actually need it to be. Alright, then we move back on the wig stand. I look at her reference and I see that she has about 3 different lengths of hair on this side of her bangs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each one of these sections just slightly longer than I actually want them to be, and then go through and blend these all in together. After trying this on again to make sure that the length of these layers is correct, I'm going to go through and blend these 3 sections together.
Hey, Cannibal Trades here. I am just going to finish up this wig with a simple braid. I already have my sections figured out, so this is one of the side twists, and then this is my main braid.
So this is the final product. Let me give you guys a turn around here. Be sure to check out posewigs.com for other great base wigs just like this one, and thank you so much for watching.